Performing your vehicle checks. So you've logged on, you've entered your username, password, and company name. The next screen you see is the vehicle detail screen. Here you're presented with your with a registration, vehicle mileage, which is the odometer, and trailer entry options. The first thing you need to do is enter your vehicle registration. So select registration, and for this I'm going to type my registration. So my reg is V123 FOR. Okay, and press OK to save the registration. Next, I'm going to enter my vehicle mileage. Okay, now my vehicle has done 50,000 miles. I'm looking on the odometer reading. Well, over 50,000 miles, so that'll do. Okay, so press OK to save the vehicle mileage. Now, am I carrying a trailer today? If you are carrying a trailer, select a new trailer from the list. If you're not carrying a trailer, select none. Okay, now for me, let's say I'm carrying a trailer. So I'm going to hit new trailer, and then I'll type the trailer identification. So let's do something like, I don't know, HF456. So this is my trailer number, and I'll press OK again to save. And here we go. So we've got registration, odometer, and trailer. So press OK to proceed. Now on the next screen, as you can see, we are presented with a list of checks. You can scroll and see the list of checks. So these are a sequence of checks which must be performed. Now you can start from the top and make your way down, or you can do it in any order as you wish. Okay, now I'm going to start from the top, but if you want to jump to the bottom, you can scroll up. If you want to come back to the top, you can scroll down. See that? Up, down. Now the first item is steering, suspension, and wings. Now this might differ, as these are customizable, so on your checks you might not see the same list that I'm seeing here. Okay, so for me, I've got steering, suspension, wings. I'm going to hit OK. So what you basically do is you make your way down this list and make sure your vehicle is safe, or if you do have defects, you can report it. This is a screensaver, it's kicked in, so I'm going to press back. Here we go. So I'll start from the top, and I don't have any defects to report, so I'm going to press OK. No defect to report on this one either. Actually, for this one, let's say I want to report a defect for my tyres, because my tie threads are worn. So I'm going to hit defect, the red button. Here we go. We are presented with further details. So you have to enter further details about the defect. So category, tie threads. There we go. Location. It's on the cab. My cab tie threads are worn, so the cab. Now the defect type. This is basically what's wrong with the tires, and tie threads are related to condition. So I'm going to select condition. Here we go. Now, if you want, you can enter further notes. You know, you can type further descriptions about the tire being worn. I mean, you might know why it's like that. You might not. It's up to you. For me, I'm going to leave this blank, so I'm going to go back. Now, again, you can attach a picture. So you can take a picture of your tie, attach, and you want to take a new picture since this is a new defect. Okay, now for this demo, I'll take a picture of a phone, but it demonstrates how you would take a picture of the real tie. And hit the camera icon to take. There we go. And we want to save the picture. There you go. So that's it. Once you take that picture, it's automatically attached to the defect. And now we're ready to send. So let's send. The red button sends the defect report to the office. So send defect report. Defect report has been sent. Easy as that. Now press OK to proceed to the rest of the checks. There we go. As you can see at the top, we've got two grey buttons, which are the defects, the checks that I have completed. And lower down, we've got the blue buttons, which are checks which I haven't yet completed. So I'm going to make my way down this list and complete the rest of the checks. Electrics, it's okay. Now, if I wanted to jump down to, let's say, if I scroll up to load or security, so other checks, I could come down, press OK, and then I could scroll back up and finish the rest. Okay. So body glass mirrors, no defect there. Brakes, no defects. Now, when I get to trailer coupling, it should automatically scroll up for me. So if I press OK, there we go, scrolled up. So Truckcom helps you. It's trying to be helpful there. So it scrolls up to reveal the rest of the checks for you. So I'm going to just make my way through this. I mean, I don't have any other defect for today, but you might have more defects. And you can report more than one defect. You can report as many defects as you need to. And once you get to the last item, it should say other defects. So these are other defects are defects which haven't been presented on this list of defects. Okay, so if there's any defect that's not on this list, you can report it in the last item. And the reporting procedure is all the same. But for me, I don't have any other defects, so I'm going to press OK. Okay, now we get the message, have all required vehicle checks been performed and have all defects observed being reported. I'm going to hit yes for that. Is the vehicle safe and roadworthy? Now, at this point, if you press no, Truckcom will prevent you from logging on. Mainly because your vehicle is not road worthy and it's not safe. So you can't possibly work if your vehicle is not safe and roadworthy. But my vehicle is safe and roadworthy, so I'm going to press yes. Here we go. Now on the next screen, this is proof that you've carried out these checks. So you need to type your name and sign. It remembers the name that you previously entered. Now, when I last logged onto this device, my name was Test. Okay, now I'm going to delete that and enter a proper name. Okay, I'm going to clear this list. Okay, so enter driver name. And I'm going to type, my name is Carl. So I'm going to type Carl. Bonsu. B-O-N-S-U. There you go. And I'm going to press OK. And that's my name. So, next, you're required to sign. That's proof. So you need to put your signature. So I'm going to press the sign button. And here we go. Rotate the device landscape, and that gives you a lot of room to sign. So I'm going to scribble here. Now let's say I make a mistake. As you can tell, this is not really my signature. So I'm going to clear this signature by pressing the blue button, clear, and I'm going to sign properly. There you go. And I'm going to press OK. And that's the end of vehicle checks. At this stage, you're ready to do your jobs.